If you want to unmute notifications from accounts you don't follow on X, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to go. This is useful if you accidentally muted those notifications or if you want to start seeing activity from accounts outside your following list again. If this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple X and social media tutorials. Let's get started. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click More to reveal the full menu. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, notification settings, and privacy options in one place. Next, click Privacy and Safety. Inside this section, you'll find the options that control what you see and what other people can see on your account. Now scroll or look for Mute and Block, then click it. This menu contains different muting controls that help filter the kind of content and alerts you receive. After that, click Muted Notifications. Here you'll see notification filters that are currently muted on your account. Find the option that says You Don't Follow. If it is turned on, that means notifications from accounts you don't follow are currently muted. Simply toggle it off to unmute those notifications. Once you do that, X will start allowing those notifications through again, so you can see updates from accounts even if you are not following them. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted notifications from accounts you don't follow on X. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.